All right, finally, here, the Anuenue UB200. That's right, you heard me. UB200 is the Moon Bird in the baritone size. We've had the tenors, we've had the concerts, and now we have the baritone. So essentially the same instrument. If you have one or been following the Moon Bird series, solid Swiss spruce, moon spruce. And there's a whole history behind moon spruce. We won't get into it for this video, but whole history behind it. Solid Indian rosewood back and sides. And that's a really powerful combination. You can just hear. You can just hear in the projection of this wood combination. You have the cutaway here, which is really nice. Kind of a cool shape, allows you easy access up here. And I just like the way it looks. And then the way they did, it's kind of like the purfling / binding, how the rosewood kind of is here. And then you can see a little bit on the side and the top. Really cool. And then you do actually have the binding, the ebony binding. So this is the rosewood right here. Really cool. Beautiful spalted maple sound hole. This is a 20 1/8 inch scale length, so standard baritone. Ebony fretboard, ebony bridge. You got the beautiful solid mahogany neck, kind of like a satin finish. It's real smooth. You got the premium Gotoh tuners, the ebony head plate, the 1.5 inch nut width to really give you a lot of space here for your fingers. All right, so let's do a little playing. We'll dive into some more of the specs here. I mean, gorgeous sounding. I'm so glad to finally have these in, because if you've seen these or have one or played one, you know the quality that these Anuenue's Moon Birds have. The tone wood is off the chart. They feel great. They sound great. They look really cool as well. They come with a really nice Anuenue hard shell case as well. Now, these fluorocarbon strings, this one, they have the wound 4-string, so baritone, D, G, B, and E, of course. I know you knew that. Wound 4-string, and then like a blue fluorocarbon 3rd, 2nd, and 1st string. So really, really kind of cool. Great for, I mean, strumming, finger picking. This, I mean, one of the best baritones out there, quality, sound, everything. So what do you think of this? This is a Anuenue UB200. Hard to get. They don't make a lot of them, and so we're glad to finally have them here and ready for you.